In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best compact portable clothes dryers on Amazon 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best compact portable clothes dryers on Amazon. Number 1, Auertech 2.8 CUFT Portable Dryers for Laundry, Compact Clothes Dryer with Stainless Steel Tub and Boot Dryer, 1400W Dryer Machine, Electric Dryer with LED Control for Apartment, Dorm, RV, White. 2.8 cu foot capacity, ideal size for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small laundry spaces. 1400W Drying Power, efficient performance for everyday clothing, towels, and laundry items. Stainless steel drum, durable, rust-resistant tub designed for long-lasting use. Built-in boot dryer function conveniently dries boots, shoes, and other footwear. LED control panel, easy to use controls for selecting drying settings and monitoring operation. Compact and portable design, perfect for small homes, apartments, dormitories, and mobile living spaces. Multiple drying modes, offers flexibility for different fabric types and drying needs. Quiet operation, suitable for indoor use without excessive noise. Modern white finish, clean, stylish appearance that fits various home decors. The Auertech 2.8 cu a foot Portable Clothes Dryer is a practical and space-saving laundry solution designed for Number 2, COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer, 110V Electric Portable Clothes Dryer with Stainless Steel Tub, Control Panel, downside, easy control for 4 automatic drying mode. White, compact portable design, ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, condos, and small laundry spaces. 110V household power, easily plugs into standard home electrical outlets. Stainless steel drum, durable, rust-resistant tub designed for long-lasting performance. 4 automatic drying modes, multiple settings help accommodate different fabric and drying needs. Easy control, lower panel, conveniently positioned controls for simple operation and monitoring. Efficient clothes drying, suitable for shirts, pants, towels, baby clothes, and everyday laundry. Space-saving solution, compact footprint, fits comfortably in smaller living environments. Quiet operation, designed for comfortable indoor use with minimal disruption. Modern white finish, clean and attractive appearance that complements any laundry area. The COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer is a practical and efficient solution for drying clothes in apartments, dormitories, RVs, condos, and other limited space environments. Designed to operate on a standard 110V household outlet, this portable electric dryer offers convenient installation without requiring specialized electrical connections. Its durable stainless steel drum helps protect. Number 3, CTT 3.5 cu a foot Clothes Dryer, 1500W Electric Dryers for Clothes, 110V Electric Clothes Dryer with Stainless Steel Drumble for 13.2 pounds, with 4 automatic drying modes. White, 3.5 cu a foot large capacity, accommodates up to 13.2 pounds of laundry. Ideal for everyday household use. 1500W powerful drying performance, efficiently dries clothing, towels, bedding, and more. 110V standard outlet compatibility, conveniently operates using regular household electrical outlets. Stainless steel drum, durable, rust-resistant interior designed to protect garments while drying. 4 automatic drying modes, multiple settings provide flexibility for different fabric types and drying requirements. Compact space-saving design, suitable for apartments, condos, dorms, RVs, and small laundry rooms. Easy to use controls, simple operation for convenient laundry management. Quiet and reliable operation, designed for comfortable. Number 4, BLACK+DECKER BCD26 Compact Dryer, Portable Electric Clothes Dryer for Standard Wall Outlet, 5 drying modes, 8.8 pounds capacity. White, standard 120V wall outlet operation, easily plugs into most household electrical outlets. Compact space-saving design, ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, condos, and small homes. 5 drying modes, multiple settings provide flexibility for different fabrics and laundry needs. 8.8 lb load capacity, suitable for everyday clothing, towels, baby clothes, and light bedding. User-friendly controls, simple operation for convenient laundry management. Efficient drying performance helps keep clothes fresh, dry, and ready to wear. Portable installation, easy to place in compact laundry areas and limited spaces. Durable construction, designed for reliable long-term household use. Classic white finish, clean, modern appearance that complements any laundry space. The BLACK+DECKER BCD26 Compact Dryer is a convenient laundry solution designed for apartments, dormitories, RVs, condos, and homes where space is limited. Operating on a standard household wall outlet, this portable electric dryer eliminates the need for specialized electrical installation while providing dependable drying performance, featuring 5 drying modes, the dryer allows users to select settings tailored to different fabric types and moisture levels. Its 8.8-pound load capacity makes it ideal for everyday laundry, including shirts, pants, towels, baby clothing, and other household essentials. The compact design helps maximize available space while still delivering effective drying performance. Easy-to-use controls simplify operation, making laundry tasks more convenient and efficient for daily use. Whether you're outfitting a small apartment, creating a secondary laundry station, or looking for a portable drying solution, the BLACK+DECKER BCD26 compact dryer offers practicality, convenience, and reliable performance in a compact package. Number 5. Panda Compact Dryer, 3.5 cu a foot portable clothes dryer, 13.2 pounds capacity, 110V 1500W electric dryer with stainless steel tub and 4 drying modes, large 13.2 pounds load capacity, handles everyday laundry, towels, linens, and clothing with ease. 3.5 cu foot drum capacity, spacious interior provides efficient drying for medium-sized loads. 1500W drying power delivers reliable and effective drying performance. 110V standard outlet compatible, convenient operation using regular household electrical outlets. Stainless steel drum, durable, rust-resistant tub designed to protect fabrics and extend dryer life. 4 drying modes, multiple settings allow customized drying for different garment types. Compact portable design ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, condos, and small laundry rooms. Easy-to-use controls, simple operation for convenient everyday laundry care. Modern and durable construction built for dependable long-term household use, the Panda Compact Dryer is a versatile and efficient laundry solution designed for apartments, dormitories, RVs, condos, and homes with limited laundry space. Featuring a spacious 3.5 cubic foot dryer.